Good morning. Hey, what's up, Cody's Roadies? We are here in my garage with a bunch of toys, and it's time to do the Venice Vintage Motorcycle Club toy ride. I bought a bunch of stuff and wasn't really thinking about how I was going to put it on my bike. So we got this skateboard down here that I think Jigger's going to wear as a backpack. I don't know, but these wheels light up. Are they lighting up? That's kind of hard to tell on the light. Let's figure out how we're gonna bungee these toys. I'm obviously a reindeer, and let's go meet up with a bunch of other motorcycles who are gonna go donate some toys. Let's go. All right, Jig's got his skateboard. Ah, that's so cool. If I saw you coming, I'd be like, I want that one. Little lady tucked up here. Hello, kitty. And then we're gonna put a net on these. Little cow buddy there. We got some stuff netted over there. Yeah, we were worried it wasn't all gonna fit, but between three of us is good. We are zip tying Jack Skellington to my sissy bar. I wanted to do this last year. Got this Jack Skellington from Disneyland when I was having a panic attack. But he's so cute. And hopefully none of the kids ask for him because I want to keep him there. But all right, we got toys on the bikes, toys in the bags. Time to go get gas and then roll out. Let's go. Hey, what's up, Cody's Roadies? We just got to Marina del Rey to the Venice Vintage Motorcycle Club meetup. Everyone's all decked out in costumes. We've got a bunch of toys getting zip tied to bikes right now, and this is just the beginning. The next hour, bikers gonna be rolling in. We've got coffee over here, we've got donuts. We're all gonna get together and we're gonna ride through the beach towns, and we're gonna end up in Muscle Beach in Venice, California. And that's where the LAPD Central Division is putting together this giant toy drive. The toys are gonna go to the kids of the city of Los Angeles. We've got Santa being towed in by a police escort. It's gonna be crazy. I'm so excited. But first, let's go get some coffee.
Yes! We made it! How are you?
Good, you?
Hell yeah. Let's go!
Hi.
High five. Cool.
I can almost promise you that the zip price will be.
All right, got my boys here from the VVMC. What's up, brother? What did you bring the
Thanks
kids
for coming
today?
out.
Yeah.
Happy to do this for the kids every year.
What do we got on the
We
bike?
got some soccer balls, some Sonic the Hedgehog, big old dump truck back here, some slippers. Everyone needs slippers, right?
Right?
Of course. I got the kitty cat backpacks.
Yeah.
One of
that's it.
thousands of toys that our gracious friends in this motorcycle community have helped us donate financially and just bringing us toys throughout the month. So we're always happy to be a part of this great event.
Sick.
Thanks.
Thank you. What's up, Franco Factory?
Yo, what up?
What did we bring the kids today, my man?
You know I always bring the weapons. Got the guns for the kids right here. Double barrel, double load. You know what I mean?
Hell
Also
yeah.
got a gift from the San Francisco Scooter Club. Rebecca said to make sure this makes it to the kids, so I'm gonna strap this to my bike.
That's what's up.
Let's go.
What do we bring the kids today?
Pop animation. All the kids love it,
I mean, I think.
and everyone needs to crochet.
That's it. Hey, Steven, what do we bring the kids today?
Hey, how you doing? I've got a basketball here. Got some Spider-Man toys.
Were you at all worried? How did you get that ball safely over
I'm
here?
gonna make sure this ball doesn't come off, because we didn't have any type of accident here. We're all friends and family. Happy
Hell yeah.
Christmas.
I know I remember. Okay. This is a much better space.
This reindeer is now caffeinated. And look at all these donuts. Look at how cute this one is. He's the cutest little donut that there ever was. Time to circle up.
Coming out every year. We really appreciate all the support in-state and out-of-state. But you guys, thank you so much for spending your Sunday morning into the afternoon with us. We're going to give a couple things away from Built Well. So
Tina won!
No way!
And we're going to head out this way and head down the alley for a couple blocks and head on to Abbott-Kitty. So.
Just pulled up to the Venice boardwalk, but these balls we got for the kids were deflated when they arrived, so we got to pump them up. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be giving them flat balls. So thank God we have our Fanatic pump here. Here we go. There we go.
I just got a call. Santa's on his. Santa will be here shortly.
Cheesin'! Oh, okay. Hi! We got all the girl toys or boy toys. Ta-da! All right, we just landed, dropped off our presents. Now we get to get some free shirts over here. Look at how cute these are! Yeah! Teddy bear.
We need to get the city. Ladies, step down for a minute, please. Where is Dane? And there he is. All right.
So, can we get a big hand for Joe Wheatley? We're very proud every year. Joe hits me up in July and says, Dane, are you in? I'm like, of course we are. So, LAPD, Pacific Division, Pacific Boosters, we're proud to be a part of this, that contribute all across the United States to buy all these toys. We strapped just about every toy we could to our motorcycles and rode down here. And we're giving the money as well to this great cause. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dane.
Alrighty, that's a wrap on today's ride. Thank you so much to the Venice Vintage Motorcycle Club for putting this on, for Muscle Beach in Venice, California for having us, and the LAPD for the sick Santa entrance. You guys are awesome. We got so many toys for the kids. Look at all these. We'll see you guys next time. Let's shift gears and change lives.